Hi, welcome to my problem. I've taken apart our lock. This is a Slage, just plain old deadbolt, and literally this part is jammed. Even when I try putting a screwdriver in here and turning it, it won't turn. So what the heck am I supposed to do? Take a Sawzall and cut it over here? Try to like jam this thing out? I've tried everything. So what makes sense? Call the company, and I did. And it turns out that there's a little part here underneath that I need to pop off and then take it apart, hopefully. So let's see. Okay, so that was relatively easy. I just popped that down and I took this piece out. But here's my problem. This thing is like wedged in. I can't even remove it. So I'm gonna have to try, of course, without videotaping it, because I don't have more than two hands, to see if I can. Okay, I finally got it. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. The door is unlocked. Now this is what I had to do. After I popped off the piece here on the bottom, after I talked to the person from Slage, I still couldn't figure out how to retract the deadbolt. But then what I could do is I could actually twist this. I think it's called a cam. And finally, I realized that at the top of the piece, right on the other side of my finger, there's a hole here. And all I had to do was put a screwdriver in and just pull it back. And lo and behold, the deadbolt slid back. Of course, now I have to take it apart and figure out about replacing it. And today is a day where we're having, I don't know if you can see outside, we're having a nor'easter today. But I'm just so happy that I figured it out. And I hope this helps, because I could not find anything on the internet that would help trying to get that deadbolt from retracting without just kind of muscling this thing. So good luck in your search. This is a Slage, just a single deadbolt key on this side and one of those thumb things on this side. Of course, it has to probably get replaced. I don't know how well I can put it back together, but I hope this helps somebody else. Bye bye.